My name is Thanu Bhargava, and I'm a part-time housewife, and I am also a freelance trainer. So I had a back surgery, spine surgery about 2 years back, and then of course for the next 6 months I didn't come down because I was not allowed to take the stairs. So that was very inconvenient. If that time I had had the lift, then it would have been very easy for me. And of course now I can feel that my knees are giving me a lot of trouble, especially if I wear heels and go up the stairs. Yeah, so the first time I ever saw it was at a friend's place about 2 years back. Okay, in Lucknow itself. And we were all so fascinated by it. Even though there's this, we could easily go up to her room. We all wanted to get inside the lift and and to take a tour of the house. Honestly, I loved it immediately. And I called my husband. I said, just see this. I said, we need this in my house. Because I said, what would you rather spend on? A knee replacement for me or a lift? Because very soon my knees are going to give away. So I love the design. Yes, carrying things up and down. I was traveling the other day, so earlier it used to be a big problem of carrying suitcases. Now I just put it in the lift and it's so convenient. I think what gives us that little satisfaction is that when we are inside the lift, I know that there is a phone. So in case we do get stuck, I can call someone, and I think that is the best safety feature that one could have in the lift. I had some friends over last week and they simply loved it. Even though, a lot of them live in multi-story buildings where there are lifts already. And they were so fascinated by it, and I thought they really liked it. So I have two big dogs who follow me around the house all day. They are very fascinated by the lift. I think they are the biggest fans because they think that I have suddenly disappeared. So if I'm upstairs and I take the lift and I come down, and they are wondering what is happening. And I did take them also a couple of times up and down. It'll make your life much easier, and it'll look good in your house. I think you should go for it.